Hello everyone, welcome to Craftaholic Disha's Craft Zone. Today we'll be making a DIY origami hummingbird, for which we'll need the following items: a pair of scissors, fabriano sheet and sketch pen. I'll first fold our A4 sheet into a square sheet and cut out the extra part with the help of scissors. Now follow these steps and create your very own DIY origami hummingbird. Here we are ready with our origami part. Now with the help of sketch pens, I'll use them to put in some highlights in this bird to give it a realistic effect. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching.